Thank you, man. You guys don't know what this is? It's a wheel hinge. Well, it's two wheel hinges glued together right now. The tubular part is the collar that the vertical pole will be attached to. Think of it like a shopping cart wheel, minus the wheel right now. It's just the hinge assembly. You guys know what a shopping cart looks like, right? Have you ever gone shopping? I'm making my own wheel. The big argument we had yesterday was that I should have just bought a wheel, but I mean, can't you say that for any DIY project? Why don't you just buy it? I mean, it just comes down to what you want to do yourself and what you want to buy. And sometimes I do things that I should have just bought, maybe. But if you buy it, you're not going to have the same like sense of satisfaction. And honestly, like right now, I'm trying to save money, so like I'm sometimes willing to make things that would be an obvious purchase, just to save a couple bucks, even if it takes me hours and hours and hours to save $2, which is stupid, but that's kind of my mentality right now. I just don't want to spend anything I can avoid. I just gave out a lot of money to my father-in-law, and that's a small part of it, you know. I'm trying to get back some of that money in my savings. He probably won't be paying me back for a very, very long time. Whew, let me take a little break. All that squeezing's hardcore, man. If you're wondering what I'm adding to this, I'm adding support spires. If you think of the inside of a cathedral, if they just built it out of walls and ceilings, it would fall down. You need supports. Supports on a otherwise flat surface make the flat surface stronger. So the surface can't be completely flat, in other words. So I'm doing this before I put the fiberglass on. This will make the fiberglass walls less likely to bend or cave in. The bends in a otherwise flat surface make the flat surface stronger. Woohoo! Done! With the spires adding.